Hi Tigers, this is Coach Bogert, and I just wanted to send out a quick little tutorial to show you how to get to Google Meet. I know as 8th graders, most of you are probably pretty familiar with Schoology, but you may not be as familiar with Google Meet. And I would really like to have a Google Meet with you guys on Tuesday at 2 o'clock. That way I can explain kind of the course expectations and your first week assignments, and we could just kind of touch base, and I can meet all of you. So to get to that Google Meet, you will go to Schoology. You will click on Bogert 8th grade online PE, and it will bring you to our classes page. There's a lot of stuff in here, and we'll try to go over a lot of it on Tuesday in our meet. But what you will need to get to that meet is the basketball goal where it says click for Google Meet. You'll click on the basketball goal, and it will take you to the schedule, which ours is going to vary. We have to be kind of flexible on the online classes because there's a lot of teachers teaching lots of online sections, so we kind of have to share kids and share times. So I will be updating you guys with those meeting dates using Schoology updates and Schoology calendar, so make sure that you are checking those diligently so that you don't miss anything. You will need the nickname to get into the Google Meet. So you can either try to remember it or you can copy it. The red directions down here say click on the picture below, click on join or start a meeting, type in our class nickname, and click on continue. So I'm going to copy the nickname because I have a lot of nicknames and it's hard for me to remember all of them. So I'm going to highlight it, Control C, click on the picture, click on join or start a meeting. If you're going to type in the nickname, you can type it here, or if you've copied it, you can Control V and paste it, and then you can hit continue. And once you've done that, you will be ready to join our meeting right here. All right. Hopefully this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or anything, feel free to give me an email, and I will do my best to help you. All right. Hope to see you on Tuesday at 2.